Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can unlock your lock Kenwood radio calculator using this app. All you have to do to generate our unlock code is download this app and open. After open, all you have to do, we must enter serial number of our radio or VIN. So I enter my serial number. Now press button generate unlock code and that's it. Press generate and application is working. Now application is generate for us our unique code who you need to unlock our radio. So we must wait to finish this process. This application is working on iOS, also on Android device in 2023 in all model on Kenwood. Yeah, that's it. This is our unlock code. So if you lock your radio and you don't have this code, you need this application. But how to download this application and unlock your radio is easy. Go to this website genmod.pro and download this application from this site. This is Kenwood Radio Unlock Calculator. Thank you for watching. Bye.